Da Nang 2026, is it still so nice as everyone's saying? I'm still living here, so I think it is. But today I'm gonna show you the whole day what I'm doing, how the city has changed in 2026 and how beautiful it still is. Look at this. I still think the mornings are the best here in Da Nang. At the moment it's gonna get hot and hotter, and the high season is starting. I think it already started a little bit earlier today. But first, let's check out what's happened actually here to the night market, to the An Thuong night market. And I don't think much has changed here. Besides of a new coffee shop is over here, which I can recommend to sit here because there's a nice breeze going on and you see the ocean. But there's also a construction site there. There's a vegan restaurant now here. But other than that, it's not really a night market, guys. So sadly, it did not change at all here. Check this out. Yeah. All these kind of updates I'm actually doing every day, a walking tour. So definitely check out Social Samy Walks. I post there every day. So if you want to see all the neighborhoods here, everything was changing, subscribe to this channel as well, and you will see it every single day. A lot has changed with exchange, ATMs, what are good, everything in this video, guys. We will talk also about very, very important things I saw many people doing wrong. So I just made it to Ven Ha. I'm gonna meet David and he's gonna give me some glasses that made a huge trip all around Asia to get here, and I will give them to Marcus. Very interesting story, more to it later. But yeah, now let's see where he brought me. We're in the north of Soncha, Ven Ha. I've never been here in this neighborhood, but he said it's a very interesting coffee shop. We will find out. This is how it looks. And I think they have an AC inside. All right, guys, we made it. David brought me that. Okay, now you can give it to me again. So these glasses went from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia to Hong Kong. From Hong Kong, thank you, Tony. And David brought them from Hong Kong all the way to Da Nang. And I will give them to Marcus. But you know what? They actually look very good. Maybe I will keep them. And they have a lot of history, so I'm excited.
Nobody in the video buy this until they sponsor the video.
Exactly.
So, Own Days PC. If you guys want people in the comments or in the views to buy your glasses, sponsor this video. The rate is $1,500.
Okay, perfect. I got my guy here and he's gonna take care of all my business. French. Do you speak French, bro?
I used to be like pretty good.
Yeah, me too.
I lived in France.
You lived in France?
For study abroad.
Oh wow, okay. Now we know everything, you know? Okay guys, now I'm gonna bring these glasses to Marcus and we're gonna have some lunch. Also, we're gonna talk about one very important thing. Guys, that's my ride. And where's your motorbike? All over there, in the sun, man. Okay, see you, David. Bye-bye. All right, this is my ride. I'm gonna drive back to the An Thuong area. Woo! It's a nice, calm area here. All the way in the Soncha. Check this out, it's over here. But yeah, taking Xanh SM. Xanh SM is like Grab or Uber, and I like it more because it's very nice, clean cars. New cars and electric cars, and I think the price did not change at all in the last few weeks. And the best thing is I'm also paying with my Wise card during this ride, and I don't have to touch any cash at all. So it's very good. And now we're gonna go and have lunch. All right, guys, we made it. The glasses are on the way to Marcus. We're gonna have lunch here. There we go. These glasses, like he has already here.
Yes, I have them.
You know what? Actually, the glasses fit me very good as well. I need to try them on here.
Really? I'm very happy to have it because I waited so long for it. That was a really mess travel for them.
So guys, comment below. Does this glasses fit me as well? He doesn't want to share them.
Do he look like handsome?
Yeah. Look at the mustache of Marcus. He's getting prepared to his Mexico time. He's gonna go to Playa del Carmen next month, so it's gonna be a long trip. But guys, we gotta talk something very important. This is a very interesting dish here. This is ban kuon and buncha together. So Marcus really loves this place because he gets a lot of meat, and that's very unusual here. Yeah. He gets a lot of meat, and it's right in the direct heart of the An Thuong area. You put a little bit of the garlic and chili, if you want, into the nukmam. You mix it a little bit here, here. Very nice. I really like this combination, and it tastes very fresh and good. Hey, easy, bro.
More meat is always good.
But guys, also, the very important thing you always have to do is having a second. And that's how easy? We're paying with Wise. So Marcus also has Wise, and that's also the sponsor of this video. I can't say this enough, but do not travel anywhere outside of your country and not having several cards. Last year I met a traveler from the US. He was a little bit older. He only traveled with one credit card from his bank in the US. He came here, he lost his card, he did not have his SIM card anymore, so he couldn't do anything. He had no money, so his children had to actually send him money via Western Union or send it to someone else. It was very messed up, and I'm like, why don't you have more cards with you? Like have a debit card and have Wise. I mean, everyone has to travel with at least 2 cards, at least, and I would say even 3, but definitely get all those debit cards you have and 100% a Wise card. Because with Wise you have so many currencies you can choose. You can transfer money into Vietnamese dong from US or from Euro, and the best thing is you can actually pay your rent with Wise. So you charge your Wise card and pay your rent here in Vietnam. I did it now the last few times. I did always use Wise. Marcus is using Wise to transfer, and it's just perfect because you don't want to be coming here to Da Nang and having to cash out so much VND out of the ATMs and pay so much fees. And yes, you can still go to VP Bank. VP Bank is free of charge to get cash out, but it's always empty. So don't think about getting 60 million out or something at one pop. It's not going to happen. Please, guys, either way, come with a lot of cash, but you can only take 5K here into the country, or have at least several cards, and one of them has to be Wise. With that, you can actually transfer right away to your Vietnamese landlord, or for everything. I transfer money to my wife, and she can spend it. And check this out, guys. This is in the An Thuong area, a pickleball court. And yeah, hello. It's so nice. It's so nice, and it's actually cool. It's actually cool, and they have also fans here. Super nice. But yeah, get the Wise card. Check this QR code. With my link, you get 500 euro free to transfer to another country, or a debit card. Get the debit card as well. It's very good, guys. I use it with Marcus. We actually have a business account together. So we have private Wise accounts, and we use, for our German channel, we use everything with the Wise business account. I have the same rights as him in this account. Very good. And here in the An Thuong area, all those Western places, you can always pay with your card and with phone. And guys, always do one more thing. There we go. Yo, bro.
What's up?
Oh man. I actually met John on my second vlog here on the streets 3 years ago, right?
3 years ago, man.
My God. Okay, I'm gonna get a coffee now.
Yeah, get a coffee.
So I just walked in, and you know who I saw? And he has also Wise. This is perfect. So many Australians actually have Wise cards, but never travel without several cards, guys. Always keep your cards separate from each other, okay? So don't bring all your credit cards or debit cards with you. Just keep them separate. Stay one at home, one maybe with you, or maybe just don't bring any card with you and always pay with your phone, with Apple Pay, right?
For sure, man. And always keep a bit of cash at home too, in case something goes wrong.
Yeah, always keep some cash and card separate. Always travel with at least 2 cards, ideally 3.
I've got 3.
You got 3?
Yeah.
How many you got?
4 or 5.
Okay.
Right?
He looks like it. Looks like $1 million. Yeah, but yeah, definitely get extra Wise here. That's the beautiful thing about being here in Da Nang, because you see all your friends all the time, just walking around. You don't even have to have your phone number out texting anyone, you just see them. And you know what's also very nice, what they changed just recently? Look at this. Beautiful pavement. More and more pavements getting freed up from all the clutter and the motorbikes, and actually you can walk now on the pavement in a lot of them. Not all yet, but I think they're working very strongly to also reduce the flower pots that are illegally placed everywhere, and also vendors like here. But it's okay, that's not that bad here. It's very nice to walk in few streets right now. The An Thuong area is still the most walkable area, but here and there you still have to go on the street. But at the moment, it's getting better. So constructions are still everywhere, but it's getting better. And I really like that they have these high fences up there to reduce the whole pollution on the streets. But construction is still a big thing here, everywhere. But there's so many new places now, it's crazy. Check this out. It's like the last call bar. The bar area also has some new bars, which is very interesting. But I would still say Da Nang is not a place for nightlife. It's still slow, but it's getting better though. It's getting better. Yeah, constructions is really everywhere here. The city is growing, and sometimes it looks very crowded, but sometimes it also looks very empty. And then it also depends on which street you are in. It's very, very weird. But some places at night are very busy and some places are very empty. So I'm not sure if this is a real high season or if we still have the high season to come. Because for me, the last few years, you always see high season in June, July, when domestic tourism starts. Then you will see the beach completely packed in the evening, and the hotels, every hotel will be full, especially around the International Fireworks Festival. Then you will see a lot of people. And it's the only time I saw every hotel is completely packed. Check this out. That's probably 8 kilos of tortilla wraps. It means the whole hand luggage weight is tortilla wraps. Thank you, David. Oh, man, I love it. Oh, check this out, guys. This is absolutely illegal here. Check this out. Flower pots blocking the street. This is what they're actually gonna fight against. Here in the whole city of Da Nang, they have a lot of people fighting these violations at the moment. They're starting with educating, then they move things, and then they will be fining. So at least that's what I saw on Facebook. I'm following the police on Facebook in Da Nang. Very interesting. But yeah, I'm gonna go home now, cool down, because it is very hot during the day and you should be always hiding somewhere cool. And then in the evening, we're gonna go for a nice dinner. Also a little bit of a live update here. That's a little glimpse of the place, how my balcony will look like. And our place gonna get painted. It got painted right now, and now at some point they will clean out everything. And this is how our new place looks like here. Small little one-bedroom apartment. I don't want to show too much, but I might do an update on this video. If you want to see this, just comment below. And yeah, we're gonna move away from the An Thuong area to another neighborhood, and I'm very excited about it because the An Thuong area got a little bit too much in the last few months, and I think this is very good, but I will keep you updated. Look how busy this section here at the Han River is. I think this whole neighborhood will be very popular in the future. I want to do another Q&A after 2 years, so put all your questions you have down in the comments below, and I will take the best ones and make a video about it. Alright guys, we made it to the Golden Meat House, and hello! I'm gonna go all the way out, and my wife and my second wife is already here. Look at this. Sitting outside is very good here because it is very smoky in there, but I absolutely love the design here. Look at how high the ceilings are here. Very nice. They're gonna prepare our meal here. And I'm gonna show you also what I always order here. And we have a romantic dinner here. Just you, me, and Marcus.
Third wheel. That's the third wheel.
Okay.
And your fancy.
Oh, they also have golden meat. I mean, it's golden meat house. I mean, we did it one time, right?
Yeah.
Jermaine actually bought one time the golden tomahawk steak over there. This is also very nice. But this is what we always get. We always get this one package. This one.
This one? Okay.
It's always this one. 990. 3 person. We need a little bit more, and then we have it perfectly fine. It's very efficient here. Oh, nice. All the pickled goodies. Perfect. And kimchi. Kimchi is very important. So starting, they're putting some water on it. It's already hot. This tastes very good. And it's just like the best place. Sauces, I think this is mung bean and salt and pepper. And then this garlic sauce, garlic chili sauce or something. Then you also have some greens. I think that's tallow.
Yeah.
And then our first 2 layers of beef is over there. And then the rest is coming very soon. We have some Wagyu something here, battered. So they also have very nice egg here, and now the meat starts.
Ooh, yup, tartar. Look at that.
Ice noodles, and then the tartar. Marcus loves raw meat. We're gonna pay 1.9 million, and we're gonna pay with card, please. Also paid with wine. Right after it, we get some coconut ice cream.
But you could
What is
have
this? Both.
50% coconut and 50% mango.
Okay. But I like this one very much. A few more things I want to talk about. First, when you come to Da Nang, at the moment, internationally, arriving, I would highly suggest you to get a fast track. It is very busy at the airport. Even going out of the airport is very busy. It is high season, so keep that in mind. On the low season, sometimes you need it, sometimes not. Keep that in mind. At the moment, there are long waiting lines at the airport. Booking hotels, it's still possible to do it last minute, but at the moment, April to October, I would book it ahead. At the moment, very busy. So keep that in mind as well. And right now, if you're coming here and want to rent out a place for 1 to 3 months, I would also suggest you to get a hotel for at least 7 days. Still, don't book anything ahead. Many places are full of mold, and you need to be there and see if it's really real. Okay, and so, but keep in mind, have like 7 days of a buffer zone between the hotel and the apartment. And since I also heard so many stories the last year, and I've been also into the hospital a few times now, and I definitely recommend you getting a health insurance or travel insurance if you come here. Don't forget that they are not that expensive. You can buy them monthly, and I'm using Genki. I tried it out in Thailand. I said they don't have an advertising deal with them, but I tried them and they worked. So I definitely can recommend them. I got my money in 24 hours after I put in the receipts. So very good. Everything from Fast Track, health insurance, everything is always in my description below. Check it out. Get Wise. Another thing that is very important with Wise is you can send your friends money for free. So if I send Marcus €100 or $100, it doesn't matter, in the same currency, it's always for free. It's very good. So keep that in mind. Get your Wise card. Check out this video here. Don't forget to ask your question for the Q&A, and see you in the next one.